Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week, which is kind of really light. I don't think I've done I usually am releasing 3 kits at a time, but I only have 1 for this week. But I did want to mention that if you guys didn't know, I opened up my character shop on MoreSPC, and I did bring home some of the girls. I need to bring home the rest of them this week. But I did bring home the Valentine's Day sampler and a bunch of the Celeste ones, which I just think are so cute. And then I also had these adorable little vinyl die cut pack, and they're just so cute for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to add them into my TN setup with roses, and they match pretty dang perfectly. I have this actually. How cute are these? Love it. So those are available on MoreSPC.com, and that's kind of why I think the releases this week are a little bit light, just because I'm trying to focus on those. And I got the mystery kits out, which if you didn't see that video, it was on Monday. And then I also got the TN kits out, the roses ones. I do have leftovers, and I will be listing those I think next week. And then I'll list the a la carte items, and I'll have more information about that on Instagram. And also I kind of gave you a hint on what the next, I told you what the next TN kit is in my mystery video. So if you didn't watch that, definitely go check it out. But I'm so obsessed with this kit. I'm going to be honest with you guys. So this art came out, and I was like, I don't know what to do with this. And I wasn't going to do anything with it. You guys, if you follow me, you're probably wait, if you were saw this art being released and you were like, okay, Andrea's gonna come out with the kit, and I didn't for a while. And then I in the middle of the night, I think it was 3 a.m., I downloaded it, and I was like, okay, I could do this. So I changed some of the colors, I brought in some different items, changed the colors of those, and I love this kit so much. I was not into it, was not going to make it, and then I was had an epiphany, and I was like, I figured it out. So let's go ahead and go through this kit. It is called Good Vibes, and I am obsessed. I don't know when I'm gonna use it. I think we're getting into that territory of kits you could use anytime, and that's really, really fun. You go through a whole 3 or 4 months of Halloween, Thanksgiving, fall, winter, and New Year's Eve, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and then it's free game. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this real quick. So you have your sampler here, which is actually changing next week, so stay tuned for that in next week's new release video. And then you also have your dinos on the bottom, which again are changing next week. They're actually going to be the girls, and I'm so pumped. And then you have your deco on top. You have this brick on the top here, which is a really cool pattern. And I love the little pug, the chandeliers, the shoes, the rugs. It's all so cute, and I love these colors. We did a kit with kind of similar colors before. I can't put my finger on it. I think it was before we were doing collections. This kind of reminds me of, I think it was called Pink Tribal or something like that. If you guys are OG, let me know if you remember that kit down below. You have your half boxes page, you have your washi page, which I kept simple because the boxes are a little bit busy, and then you have your little things and your solid washi and labels, your ombre heart checklist. Oh my goodness, also guys, the ombre heart checklist reminded me, I finished April monthly and Hello monthly, and April is going to be the best Hello ever because I did a lot of changes and I'm pumped. And then you have your full boxes, which I love. This is a very fashion girl, but I don't think it's wildly fashion girl, because I feel it's achievable fashion girl, if you guys know what I mean. This girl's just chilling with her t-shirt, her little button up wrapped around her waist. This girl has a pop socket, which I'm can't live without mine. I love this so much. I love the little scene on the bottom. I love the loafers. I just think it's all really, really cute. Her nails are pink, so fun. I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed. And then you have your bottom washi, which I was kind of debating on just doing this pattern here. But I think this will kind of tie it all together, since there is going to be a lot of marble and this brick with the washi and the patterns. And then you have your extra full box of the books and stuff. I just think it's such a fun kit. And again, an anytime kit, but so cute. Then you have your mini kit, which mini kits usually do sell out the fastest. So you have your sampler, your full boxes, the same functional page. This is one of the mini kit exclusives, along with this one with your small selection of deco, your washi, your habit trackers, and your bottom washi. And then you also have the option if you want to add on some glitter headers, which are super cute, and then also the personal washi if you want to add that on as well. And that's everything for this week, guys. Again, I just posted the mystery unboxing, and that'll be up as well in the shop on Friday. That video was up on Monday, and MoreSPC.com for our character girls. So I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you later.